Hello all my dear students. We have started chapter number 11. We will solve exercise 11a. Question number first. Our question first is, which of the following has fixed length? Fixed length means we can measure like this. Fixed length. So the first is a line segment. We know that line segment is the straight path of points that extended on and on in the both direction. So there is no end point of this line. So the line has no fixed length. Line like this, or you can write a line like this again. So there is no end point a line has. What about ray? Ray, if you know the symbol of ray, ray is a ray having a end point or starting point, and another point we extend in any direction. So a ray has no fixed length. Third one is C, a line segment. We know that line segment means the part of a line, like this straw. So you can see the line. So if you cut this like A point and B point, if you take the part of the line, so you will get the line segment. A line segment has fixed length because we can measure the line segment like 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 1 meter, 2 meter. So this is called line segment. Now point. So the fixed line having a line segment. Now point is a dot. The point has no length, no breadth or thickness. So it has no. You can see the point has no fixed length. So your answer is line segment. Let's see the question number second. In the question number second, classify as ray, line and line segments and also name them. So the first is X, Y. So it's very simple. We can see this is a line. We have to write the name of the line. So we can write the name like line XY symbolically. You can write, or you can write like this, line XY. So now next is B. I'm writing for B. Now there are two endpoints. So this is the line segment. It is having fixed length. So in this line segment we can write this line segment like line segment AB or line segment AB. Now let's see the question number 4. Now we will solve the question number 4. Your question number 4 is, count and name the line segments in the following in the figure shown alongside. So question number 4 is, and the diagram of the 4 is, so diagram, making a diagram here. From this side A, there are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So we have to write the name of the line segments. So there are points we can see A, point B, point C, point D, point E, point F, point G, point H. So the first line segment is, we are starting from this A, B. This is our first line segment. The first line segment is AB. Another line segment BC. Line segment BC. Now third one is CD. So we write line segment CD. DE. This is the line segment DE. And EF. You can see the line segment EF or FE. E, F, you can write FE also. Then FG, this is F and G. Now second last is GH, the G and H, line segment GH, and finally HA or AH. AH or H. A. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 line segments in this